Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to get free candy on CoinGecko. First, open the app and tap on your profile. Then, select My Candy. Here, you'll be able to claim free candy every day. Just visit this section daily and tap Collect Candy. After that, tap Sweet to proceed. You also have the option to watch ads to earn extra candy. When you click Collect Candy, you may be given the opportunity to watch an ad to receive an additional 5 candy. At the top of the screen, you can view your rewards. If any rewards are granted to your account, they will appear here. Additionally, if you subscribe to the premium version of the app, you'll receive increased candy rewards. For example, by going to Manage Subscription in your account settings, you can activate a 1.2x daily candy boost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.